Good evening, good evening. I have good news for you. We have a very good product that I will share tonight. It's called Cleanse. Ayan, this is our focus. Though madami kaming product dito sa Q Global, but we are focusing on promoting this very powerful product, no? Kasi alam namin maraming tao sa panahon ngayon na problema nila ay ang kanilang bowel movement or hirap sa pagdumi, walang regular bowel movement. You are those people na constipated like me. I used to be constipated pero ngayon hindi na. Ayan, this is a good product, no? Pang-cleanse, panglinis ng ating digestive system. If you are those people na interested, no, kasi constipated kayo palagi, hirap dumumi, o kaya you feel that you need to do colon cleansing, this product is a must for you. Let me discuss to you the benefits. Pa-comment naman if may mga tao tayo na viewers dyan na interested to know the product of Q Global. By the way, Q Global is a new company here in TikTok. We are looking for resellers, we are looking for affiliates. If you are those who wants to also or looking for a business, ayan, this is also a very good opportunity for those who are looking for negosyo package. But if not, no, you're looking for just, trying our products, yan, welcome po kayo sa live natin. Our products is made, no, these two products that I'm about to share to you are products from Taiwan. Ayan, these are all made out of enzymes. Q Global is a local company, but the products that we are introducing to you are imported from Taiwan. And aside from that, this is also considered to be natural and healthy. Kaya ang tawag namin dito, actually, this type of product ay talaga namang pumatok na or nakilala na in different countries, most especially in Africa and Asia. Q Global really wanted to bring it here in the Philippines kasi nasubukan na talaga namin. Kami, lalo na yung management ng Q Global, we really felt that the Philippines can appreciate this product. So we really wanted to bring it in. So it's good that we were able to adopt it in our line, in our selection of product line. Now, ang maganda dito, no, this is available in different variants, no. Originally, when we started selling it, you can get this at this box. This is the 1 month supply, 30 sachets. Kung feeling mo ikaw yung talagang need mong makorek ang iyong digestive system, talagang nagmamalfunction yan, kailangan mo nang i-overhaul ang katawan mo kasi lalo na pag nagkakaedad ka na, this is the product that you should. Even your kids can take enzyme, no? These are all natural products. Yun ang maganda dito. All natural products, fruits, vegetables, and herbs lang yung main ingredients nito. And then, wala itong harmful chemicals, walang synthetic ingredients na nakakatakot i-take. Kasi usually in the market right now in the Philippines, yung mga tinitake natin, diba, to fight yung mga constipation, diba? Mostly, yung available that we can take, which I don't want before, I don't like taking, is yung mga yung laxative effect na mga gamot. I don't like taking those, no. It's good na kilala ko to, this product, no, kasi this one hindi ka matatakot i-take to everyday. This will not dehydrate you, even though it will promote good bowel movement, no. Plus talagang makaka-receive ka dito ng complete colon cleansing once you take 1 sachet lang. I tell you, if you take 1 sachet of this, yung pinapangarap mong kaluwagan, kalinisan, no, yung talagang ma-feel mo empty yung stomach mo, nalinis talaga siya, this one will give you that effect. Kumbaga sa bahay na general cleaning ka, kumbaga sa kotse na overhaul ang feeling mo, this is a must product for you to take. Kaya siya safe for you to take kasi this is not medicine. This is just food supplement na ang main ingredients niya po is probiotics. It also contains fiber at saka may enzyme siya. All of which the function is to promote gut health o yun. All our products, actually, what you're seeing on my side right now are Q Global products. Premium products from Q Global. Food supplements po lahat yan. Ay talaga naman lahat safe events kasi these are all considered food. All our products are FDA certified. So, hindi kayo matatakot na i-try siya. You can try itong 30 sachets. Okay? Yan. Nasa basket ko yan. 30 sachets. Okay? By the way, kapag members na kayo ng Q Global, mas may malaki ang discounts ninyo sa product. Okay? Pero dito sa TikTok kasi, naka SRP or selling suggested retail price ang nakalagay sa amin. But don't you worry kasi I am giving a very good promotion for tonight. Kasi bakit? We have launched our newest product. We now offer cleanse in a very cute box like this, the minis, no, mini series of the enzyme. This now comes in 10 sachets. Ayan, kung feeling nyo hindi naman ako masyadong I just want to do cleansing one time sa aking katawan, I just want to try it, maybe you can try the 10 sachets. Okay, kaya lang sa akin, I always recommend the 30 sachets. Why? Kasi, hindi lang naman ikaw ang mag-cleansing or ikaw lang ang mag-cleansing sa pamilya mo eh. I will suggest that you also offer cleansing to your whole family. Like ako dito sa bahay, yung mga kapatid ko, pamangkin ko, and yung anak ko, hindi lang ako yung nagki-cleansing. Everybody, inire-require ko to do cleansing. Bakit? Everyone needs to have that experience. Kasi I believe, I know, no, na lahat tayo, as we age, because of the food, the unhealthy food that we take in, diba, kaya nga tayo nagde-develop ng mga iba't ibang sakit. It is because nga, madumi or nagmamalfunction yung ating bituka. So, I believe everybody needs this. Okay, everybody needs to do cleansing. Paano ba ito tinitake? Tinitimpla lang po itong sachet na to in a glass of water. Titimpla nyo lang to, kuha lang kayo ng a glass of water. Powder form po ito. Actually, pwede siya i-take as it is, parang polvoron. Pero I like mixing it with water. You can take it 1 hour to 2 hours before meal time. But the best time for you to take, I believe, is at night. Okay, sa gabi nyo siya i-take. Kasi, expect nyo na pag first time ninyo to i-take is talagang magpa-flush out kayo ng mga iba't ibang dumi, toxins sa inyo pong katawan. So, kapag first time nyo to tinik at first time kayo nag-cleansing, ang bahay nyo kapag matagal nyo nang hindi nilinis at general cleaning, ano yung itsura ng lilinisin? Diba sobrang daming dumi? Ganon yung first time na experience nyo. Kapag unang beses po kayo nag-try ng cleansing, expect nyo na yung lahat ng dumi na naka-stuck dyan sa inyong bituka, talaga pong lahat yan ay mababakbak, ilalabas ng inyong katawan. So, hindi lang isang beses. Sa akin, the first time that I tried it, 3 times po ako na bumalik-balik sa CR. 3 times po ako na bumabalik-balik sa CR. Kaya talagang feel ko, no, yung sinasabi niya talagang cleansing effect. Okay? Pero, hindi naman ganun siya every time. Kapag wala na siyang lilinisin, if you have been taking this for a while already, like me, no, the first time that I took it, I made sure na for a week, ginawa ko siya para makomplete yung cleansing cycle ko, no? Nung wala na, nalinis na niya, dahil constipated ako, ang nangyayari ngayon, twice or thrice a week na lang ako mag-take niya, no? Kasi nga, kung constipated ka, talagang, sa totoo lang, hirap dumumi ang mga constipated na tao, hindi everyday. So, if you take this, no, ako ang ginagawa ko, hindi naman talaga daily, twice or thrice a week na lang ko siya tinitake. Kasi yung isang sachet, it's good for 2 days or 3 days. No, nagiging regular yung bowel movement ko. Nagiging maganda talaga yung bowel movement ko. Tapos nun, no, ang magandang balita, if you're not really that keen in to buy yung ating 10 sachets. By the way, tonight, I am giving a very good promo because if you buy the 10 sachets, okay, naka-buy one take one tayo. Meron kayong basket dyan na makikita na naka-buy one take one po yung aming 10 sachets. So, kung hindi lang ikaw yung need mag-cleansing, you want to also have the cleansing for your whole family, ang ganda na nitong bilhin kasi for the price of 10 sachets, you will already get 20 sachets kasi binay one take one ko siya tonight. Ngayon lang yan, no? Inad lang namin yan ngayon because we want more people to try our product kasi alam namin na bago siya. Ngayon, say for example, I'm not ready to take that, yung buy one take one kasi dami naman yan, baka hindi ko feel. O sige, okay, I understand, baka hindi nyo pa masyadong type yung madami. Okay lang. We have this sampler. Ayan, sampler flap card. Colon cleanse ang tinatakal niyan. Sabi dito, colon clean colon is equals to happy tummy, happy you, say goodbye to constipation. This also gives you a lot of tips, no? Kung bakit kailangan mo na mag-cleanse ng iyong colon, no? This is a flap card or sampler flap card that offers you 3 sachets. For the price of 2 sachets, you already get 3 sachets. Ayan. This is only 499 on our basket. Pero for now, naka-free shipping po siya. Tapos naka 30 pesos off pa siya pag kinlik nyo yung yellow basket natin. 469 na lang po. Napakamura po niya for tonight, no? Yung 3 sachets na to, I tell you, this will go a long way. Baka isang linggo nyo na to. Kung akin to, pang isang linggo ko na to. Every other day nyo siya i-take. I tell you, yung buong linggo na yun na i-take nyo to, talaga namang liliit yung tiyan nyo. Kasi bakit? Ang daming dumi na nakastack dyan sa tiyan natin for the longest time, kung ilang taon na tayo. Alam nyo ba na meron palang mga stock up stool dyan sa ating bituka na hindi yan nawawala, nakakapit lang yan at unti-unting dumadami yan sa lining ng ating bituka. Lagi lang yan nandyan as we age, no? Kumakapit sa walls ng ating digestive tract or digestive wall. So, it's good that we should take products that offers us cleansing. Marami naman tayong mga pwedeng i-take for us to do the body cleansing na tinatawag. Kaya lang, dito po sa Q Global, we created a product that combined various fruits, vegetables, and herbs that can provide you already with 3 key elements na kailangan ninyo. Ano-ano yon para malinis yung inyong bituka? Those are enzymes, probiotics, and fiber. Ang magandang balita, if you take this one sachet, naku, napakalit lang yan, no? I-mix nyo lang to sa isang basong tubig, inumin nyo siya in about 1 hour to 2 hours, no? And with the period of 8 hours, ma-experience nyo talaga yung tinatawag na cleansing sa ating bituka. Promise po yan. Ako, sinusugal namin sa company yung tinatawag ng money back guaranteed. Kasi lahat po ng napatry namin, for 1 year na kasi kami, simula nung nag-launch kami ng products. Sa lahat po ng nag-try ng product na to, wala naman po, hindi naman po kami nagmintis. Lahat naman po talaga ng nag-try ng product na to, isa lang ang isinigaw. Super successful ang bawat pagpasok nila sa CR. Talagang na-feel nila yung talagang rejuvenation, complete overhauling, complete general cleaning ng kanilang digestive tract. Alam nyo ba, bakit napaka-importante rin ng gut health, no? Kasi we believe, no, that the body needs enzymes. Kasi 'di ba, sa panahon ngayon, especially as we age, pansinin niyo yung mga tao na may sakit. Pag nag-try silang uminom ng gamot o kaya naman niresetahan sila ng mga doktor na, oh, you have to eat complete nutritious food, 'di ba? But madalas may mga tao na kahit anong gawin nila, hindi na sila gumagaling. Hindi na umiepekto yung gamot, hindi na umiepekto kahit anong kainin nila, walang effect. It is because pala, our digestive system is already malfunctioning. Sira na ang ating digestive system kasi nga, inabuse natin, unhealthy lifestyle ang ginawa natin sa ating katawan. So, ang magandang balita, Q Global is introducing products that will bring back your optimum health. Yun po yung focus ng aming produkto. So, aside from cleanse, no, na magbibigay muna sa atin ng first step to do cleansing in our body, we also offer you a very good product which we call enzyme. Ayan, ito po si enzyme. No? Q enzyme, kasi Q Global enzyme. Ito, this is a liquid concentrated enzyme that we offer you, wherein this one also came from Taiwan. The fresh farmlands of Taiwan pa po ito galing. Kami po ang exclusive the distributor ng Q enzyme or liquid enzyme. Alam niyo, first time na nagkaroon ng liquid enzyme sa Pilipinas. Kung meron kayo makikita dito, siguro powder. Pero sa amin, liquid. Ang magandang balita for this, okay, it comes in a handy form. It comes in sachet form. Ipupunitin lang yan. Ipipeel off lang natin yan. And then, easily you can just take it as it is. Pure concentrated enzyme. Lasang tamarind. Kung mahilig kayo sa sampalok, no, ganun ang lasa nito. Pure, you can take it. 30 ml lang isang sachet. Or if not, another better preparation for you to do is imimix nyo to sa isang basong tubig. Okay, lagyan nyo ng yelo, pwedeng walang yelo, no? Tapos, i-take nyo siya like your regular fruit juice. You can take it, even your kids can take it. You know why we recommend that you give it to your kids? Q enzyme contains 151 fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Napakayaman po sa nutrients ng pouch na yan. Okay? This contains 100, take note ha, 151 types of fruits, vegetables, and herbs. In-extract po ang 151 prutas, gulay at herbs. Kinuha yung mga fresh na fruits, vegetables, and herbs na yan ng ating manufacturer doon sa mga fresh farmlands of Thailand. Pinili yung mga mayayaman sa sustansyang part ng prutas, gulay at herbs na yon. In-extract at saka po ferment. Enzyme is a fermented product. Parang red wine, fermented siya. Diba? Ano ang maganda sa fermented product? This has been fermented for 365 days. Okay? Isang taon fine-ferment. So, para talaga siyang, dati actually, it comes in a bottle form. Okay? Kaya lang, yung mga distributors namin, nagkakaroon ng problema when it comes to shipping, nababasag kasi. Bukod doon, isang bote siya na parang wine. So, pag binili mo siya, hanggang doon lang siya sa bahay mo, hindi mo na siya mabibit-bit. Unlike ngayon, we are introducing this in this new form, no? It comes in this handy sachet form, wherein, makalimutan mo man siyang matake, lagay mo lang siya sa bag mo, pwede mo na siyang bit-bitin, nasa restaurant ka, huwag ka na mag-order ng mga soft drinks, no? Ito na lang, itimpla mo sa hingi ka lang ng tubig, o kaya yung mga anak mo, imbis na pabilhan mo ng mga colored juices, o yung mga sodas na nakakasira ng kanilang bituka, wag na. Ito na lang ang ipabaon mo, ititimpla lang nila to sa malamig na tubig, malagyan lang ng yelo, kahit wala ng yelo, okay din, no? Para siyang iced tea pag tinake nila, no? Na-ensure mo pa na yung anak mo ay hindi nakakasama sa katawan nila yung tinitake. Bagkus, no? Napakayaman sa sustansya. Kasi imagine you're giving them a unique health drink na ang laman is 151 fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Fermented po ito. This comes in 30 ml. 1 day supply nyo na po ito. Ano ang makukuha mo sa enzyme? Enzyme, if you take enzyme, number 1 na gagawin niya, this serves as a catalyst in our body. No? In the performance of the body chemicals natin, siya yung nagtitrigger para lahat ng mga body chemicals sa katawan natin for it to work its job sa ating mga immune system, no? Siya po, si enzyme po, yung tutulong parang mag-activate. Kumbaga sa kotse, siya yung mag-start. Okay? Kaya po nagkakaroon ng mga malalaking problema ang mga tao nowadays, no? Lalo when we are aging is hindi na gumagana properly yung ating katawan. Nagma-malfunction na nga siya, 'di ba? So anong nangyayari? Most of the time, no, if your digestive system is not functioning properly, what happens is we take in food. Kakain tayo ng mga mamalengke pa tayo ng mga masasarap na mga prutas, gulay, 'di ba? Minsan fresh. O kaya we choose to be vegetarian. 'Di ba? Kain natin lang gulay lang kasi 'yun ang healthy. Tapos may sakit tayo, inom tayo ng mga gamot, pero ba't ganun? Walang mga effect, hindi nag-improve yung health natin. Kasi nga baka, yung digestive system natin is not really functioning properly. Hindi niya pala na be-breakdown yung mga yan, whatever it is that you take in, hindi na be-breakdown properly, hindi na da-digest, hindi na-absorb, hindi na a-assimilate. So, if you take Q enzyme, that is the job of Q enzyme. This will do the job na to make sure that whatever you take in your mouth as food or as medications ninyo, if you take enzyme, it will prepare your digestive system para ma-breakdown niya into small particles ang kahit anong ipinasok ng pagkain dyan or gamot. So that your digestive system now is now ready to absorb it. Kasi alam nyo, kapag hindi siya ready na i-absorb yung mga pinasok nating mga particles, food particles dyan, ang nangyayari pala, hindi ina-absorb ng katawan yung nutrients. Instead, tinatanggal niya or dinidispose niya sa ating bituka. In short, inilalabas ng ating katawan, hindi natin pinakikinabangan ang lahat ng mga ipinasok nating masusustansyang pagkain. Kasi nga, hindi nagagawa ng ating digestive system yung trabaho niya. So, si Q enzyme, siya ang tutulong sa atin, sa iyo at sa iyong pamilya, sa anak mo, to make sure that your body is ready to absorb and assimilate all these nutrients. Okay? Ano pa? The enzyme also, gumamit tayo ng 151 fruits, vegetables, and herbs for this product. Ginamitan din to ng Japan's manufacturing processing technique, tapos galing po to sa Taiwan. So, in terms of quality, we are very confident to give you a high quality product that, will give you the rejuvenation that your body needs. Most of the time, if you take this every day, the effect that we see on our consumers is, isa sa nagiging benefit is, alam niyo yung feeling fresh or looking fresh tayo, mas younger looking, Kaya binansagan to ng aming mga members na pangpabata. Kasi nga, once you take it, parang beauty potion siya, Kasi nga, imagine niyo para kang isang lantang halaman. 'Di ba as we age, ano nangyayari sa atin? 'Di ba para tayong natutuyot, nagda-dry, pumapayat, Tapos hindi na looking healthy kasi tumatanda na tayo 'di ba? Ang magandang balita, if you take this one, para kang halaman na lanta na diniligan, tapos nilagyan ng fertilizer. Ganun yung ginagawa niya sa ating katawan. Para tayong isang halaman na nagkakaedad, pero dahil nilalagyan natin yung ating katawan ng masustansya, super potent, na mayaman sa nutrients, nagiging fresh yung ating skin, nagiging glowing, Ayan, thank you so much sa mga nanonood. I hope you also follow our page, but because we have good products that we can share to you, especially if you're looking for powerful food supplements that can answer or help you boost your immunity. We have products that is designed to really help you bring back the gut health that you need, kasi siguro ikaw ay isa dun sa mga namomroblema sa kanilang digestive system. These are products for you to take or must try. Ayan, this is enzyme. Ang enzyme natin, actually, ang makikita nyo sa aking yellow basket is this. This is the original box of enzyme. It offers you 30 sachets na. Yung ibang makikita nyo ngayon sa market, ngayon sa TikTok, puro collagen drink, diba? That it comes in 7 sachets. Ito po, 30 sachets na to ang ino-offer namin sa inyo. Kasi kailangan 1 month nyo po itry yung ating product, Sabi ko nga, kung meron kayong gustong irigalo sa sarili natin, tigilan na natin yung pagbili ng mga branded bags at saka shoes. It's time that we give our body the best thing that you should gift yourself. Okay? And that is Optimum Health. If you will take this product every day, makikita nyo yung big difference na regalo ninyo sa inyong katawan. Like me, for example, I'm always proud to tell everyone that I am turning 50 this year. But a lot of my friends, a lot of my family are always saying that I don't look like it. I don't look like I'm turning 50 on May 24 po yung birthday ko. Why, Kasi nga, I am happy to say that I I'm very, very serious in taking products that can help me supplement and nourish my body. Hindi lang basta malakas ang resistensya, dapat din kahit papano, makikita mo if you are taking healthy food, makikita mo na talagang yung pangangatawan, hindi lang malakas, pero healthy rin yung iyong itsura. Bukod doon, alam nyo, if you take this everyday, like yung kami ng anak ko, pansinin mo yan, para kang may suot-suot na shield. Alam mo yung, di ba, uso ngayon yung mga ubot, nakakatakot ngayon pneumonia, di ba? Kahit ako, dumaan ako doon, kagagaling ko lang. Ang magandang balita, if you always take products like this, feeling mo protected ka. Di ba? Feeling mo protected ka, kahit sino yung mga humatching dyan sa tabi mo, na sa loob ka ng MRT or ng elevator, no? Diba? Kasi hindi na tayo nakamask ngayon So talagang mas madali tayong mahahawahan. So the good thing about taking this kind of products is talagang alam mo sa sarili mo that your immune system is boosted. Okay? Para kang merong invisible na mask na suot. Kasi everyday you take this, everyday you're exposed to different bacteria, viruses, no, na pumapaligid sa atin. At least kahit papano, you have the first base or baseline na sinasabi na shield mo, invisible shield mo, because you know that you are eating products that will not only provide you with vitamin C, kasi lahat tayo ngayon nag-vitamin C lang. This one offers a lot of health benefits. Ayan, I want to discuss the health benefits. Sige, basahin natin. Ayan, ano ba yung mga health benefits na makukuha natin sa enzyme? For one, yun nga, ang sabi ko, it will help us rejuvenate, no? Rejuvenate the body. Kapag nagtitake tayo ng enzyme, no, this one will help rejuvenate us. This is your immediate or instant shield, no? Ang tawag dito, invisible shield kapag nag-take ka nito. Ngayon, ang magandang balita, every time that you are taking in food that is rich in a lot of nutrients, no, and digestive enzymes, it offers us, ayan, eto, discuss natin. By the way, yung preparation niyan, you can take it as it is, pure, no, liquid siya na enzyme. Lasa siyang sampalok sa aking panlasa. Pero pwede mo rin siyang i-mix sa tubig. Parang iced tea yung preparation niya. Ayan. Again, this one contains a mixture of 151 fruits, vegetables, and herbs, no? When you take this every day, this is also very good to protect and promote health, brain activity, good brain activity. Pansin mo, if you take this every day, parang mas, mas sharp ka, no? Aside from that, ako pala, kwento ko lang, I'm a nocturnal person. Okay? Hindi po ako nakakatulog talaga sa gabi. Ang tulog ko pag may araw na. Pag alas 6 na, alas 7 na ng umaga, papasok na yung anak ko, doon pa lang ako matutulog. Mahirap yon, no? Kaya lang, ang magandang balita, if you try to take Q-enzyme, si Q-enzyme kasi, it helps us protect our body. It boosts our immunity. So, si immune system, binuboost niya. Ngayon, you know that your immune system knows what your body needs. Napakatalino ng ating immune system. Wait lang. So, if you take products like this, which boosts your immune system, ang nangyayari dyan, sobrang talino ng ating katawan, ng ating immune system. Ibibigay niya sa katawan mo kung ano yung need mo. And so, for people like me, ano yung need ko? Kasi nocturnal ako Tulog ang kailangan ng katawan ko. Napansin ko, every time that I take Q-enzyme, alam niyo unang mangyayari, hindi ako yung taong, minsan, 2 days na, 48 hours na gising pa ako. Ganun ako. Sobra. Dahil siguro panay din ang kain ko ng mga food supplements. Sobra rin yung energy ko, hindi rin nagsusubside. Kaya ko pa. At my age. Okay? Medyo mayabang ako sa part na yun. Pero the point is, still, I need to sleep. Alam ko yun. I know sleep is very important. Ang magandang balita, when I started taking this, dumating kasi to sa Pilipinas parang April. So, kailan lang talaga namin to na-enjoy. Okay. If you take Q-enzyme, ang magandang balita para sa mga tulad kong nocturnal, tinutulungan tayo nito. Kasi ang ginagawa niya, sa akin sinisigurado niyang natutulog ako sobrang haba. quality sleep talagang ibinibigay nito sa'yo. No? So, yun yung nakikita kong isang magandang balita. Okay? Nako-correct na niya yung iyong digestive function, nabuboost na niya yung immunity mo, nare-rejuvenate ka niya, it promotes healthy immune cells, mas younger yung cells mo, you look younger na, you're much energized pa. Tapos, brain activity mo is promoted kasi bakit? You have better nervous system pa. Tapos yun, napopromote yung good sleep. Yun yung na-experience ko. Overall, if you have all this good heart health din ang binibigay niya. Tapos, ano pa? Metabolism. So, part ng digestive health, of course, it also gives us good metabolism. Mapapansin mo din yung mga problema mo as you age, 'di ba? When we are aging, like me, when I started reaching my 40 years old, una kong napansin diyan yung mga ankle ko, yung kasukasuan ko, tuhod ko nananakit na, no? Dati 'yun ha. So yun yung time na talagang naging serious ako in taking food supplements, and proud ako na dati yun nung 40 years old ako, ngayon 49 na ako, magpi-50 na ako, wala akong kahit anong sakit sa tuhod, arthritis, wala akong mga ganun sa mga buto-buto ko or what. To think na ako po pala ay kagagaling lang sa aking knee injury. Na aksidente ako mag 2 years na. Magto 2 years na yung knee injury ko. Dapat very sensitive yung aking mga buto-buto, pati mga ligaments ko, kasi na ano talaga na damage talaga yun lalo pag malamig, 'di ba? Ako hindi, walang ganon, kasi talagang I was able to promote yung aking musculoskeletal system, yung health niya. Nakakatulong dito sa respiratory function, cell repair and regeneration, no? And of course, kapag gumagamit tayo ng enzyme, it also helps to detoxify our body, no? Yun yung maganda sa ating enzyme series, okay? Available din po to if you want, no? If you want, you can click yung 3 sachets sa aking basket. Kung curious lang kayo, available right now yung basket ko, parang 469. What you know? Okay, another product that I want to also introduce to you is meron kaming glutathione din. Ayan, Glutavivae. Ang Glutavivae namin or glutathione namin contains glutathione. It also has vitamin C and grapeseed. 700 mg na to in total. 500 mg yung glutathione, may 100 mg na vitamin C at saka vitamin C. Vitamin C and grapeseeds, tag 100 sila. What's so special about our Glutavivae is this one right now, I can give it to you buy one take one. Okay? So, kapag nag-click kayo sa basket ko nito ngayon, we'll give you 2 bottles. Naka-buy one, take one po siya. No, kung addict kayo sa glutathione, kasi isa yan sa magandang pampabeauty. Pero alam nyo ako, I always tell people, no, you should go for this. Kasi this one will not only lighten your skin, but will give you glowing skin and younger cells. No? Ako, mas to go ako sa siguro combination nito. Okay? If you're that person na nagkakaedad na, okay, if you want to age gracefully and you want to delay aging, no? Ayan, ito yung mga dapat natin i-take natin para hindi kayo talaga makitaan ng mga signs of aging. Ay, subok ko na to. Subok ko na. Kita nyo, pag nag-try kayo nito, tapos nag-reunion kayo ng mga classmates nyo, ay naku, ibang-iba ang itsura nyo. Pinopromote niya yung mga younger cells natin, no? Younger cells, mas younger looking ka. Another product na pwede ninyong i-try is also yung aming Q Green. Usong-usong ngayon sa Pilipinas yung barley, 'di ba? No, ito, this is Q Green. Ngayon si Q Green namin is Q Green Veggie Caps. Yan, vegetable capsules po yan, green capsules siya. Ayan. What's so good about our Q Green? Q Green kasi nag-o-offer siya ng 2 klase ng superfood. This one offers you barley and wheatgrass. Okay? Anong special sa barley and... Kasi ngayon, di ba sabi ko nga usong-uso yung barley. Kaya lang ako, ewan ko kung katulad ko kayo, no? Ako ayoko nang iniinom na powder. Kahit yung dati, may mga nauso dati yung... Nag-try ko din yung mga chlorella. Addict din ako sa chlorella tsaka spirulina. Isa yan sa mga dati ko pang mga tinitake. Okay? Kasi I know that it promotes or boost our immunity. Ngayon, ako, I'm the type of person na I don't like taking supplements na hindi yung may mga aftertaste, ayoko niyan. Ang magandang balita, ito po si enzyme. Wala tong mga aftertaste, disgusting taste. Para lang siyang juice. Yun yung maganda dito. Kasi nga talaga naman, fruit extracts and vegetable extracts siya. Kaya, hindi siya, ma-enjoy mo yung lasa niya. Ngayon, dito sa Q-Green, this one is giving us the power of 2 powerful superfood, which is wheatgrass and barley. Ayan. Magsuso i-discuss sa inyo yung benefits niya. Okay, ang dami kasing benefits nito. Gusto ko siyang i-discuss. Sobra kasing dami. Ayan. Si barley, diba si barley sikat na sikat ngayon? No? If I were you, instead of you trying barley, better to take Q-Green. Kasi Q-Green offers you two supergrass already. It has barley and wheatgrass. Tapos, convenient pa kasi capsule form. Mag-take ka lang ng 2 capsule in the morning. Tsaka, o kaya gusto nyo, take din kayo ng 2 capsule at night, okay din. Pero ako, hanggang 2 capsule lang ako. Gusto ko, evening or morning ang pagtitake. Empty stomach always. Kapag food supplement, better for you to take it on an empty stomach. Kasi bakit? Kasi ang food supplement po, hindi siya gamot. So, hindi siya magkakaroon ng problema in terms of magiging acidic kayo, ganun, hindi. Pagkain nga siya eh. Di ba ang mga gamot nyo, before you take it, sasabihin ng doktor, kailangan kumain ka muna. Di ba? So, kasi, magkakaroon siya ng hindi magandang effect sa sikmura mo. These ones, the products that we have are considered to be food supplements. Pagkain na sila. So, okay na i-take nyo sila on an empty stomach kasi pagkain sila. It's just that they are food that comes in convenient packaging, convenient form. Diba? Parang astronaut. Diba mga astronaut, ang kinakain nila mga nakakapsule lang din. Pero, pagkain nyo na Finley's Dry. Same thing with the products that we have. Ganon din yung kanilang form. Okay, now for Q-Green, ano yung maganda kay Q-Green? Meron siyang wheatgrass and barley. Alam nyo ba that barley is really very good according to a lot of studies, no? Na napakayaman niya. Twice richer po pala ito in terms of beta-carotene. Kumpara mo sa carrots, it's like you've drank 10 glasses of milk kumpara sa isang basong gatas. Ito pala, if you take 1 capsule of this, parang uminom ka ng 10 baso. Ganon siya kayaman sa calcium. Kumpara naman sa potassium content, para kang kumain ng 25 na banana kasi ganon kayaman siya sa potassium. And 6 times richer in vitamin C. Mayaman din siya sa iron. In fact, kapag kinumpare natin siya sa spinach, no, it's 5 times richer. Barley pa lang yun, yun yung kanyang health benefits. Yung wheatgrass, diba? Yung wheatgrass, of course, is a very good source of chlorophyll. Then, chlorophyll is a very important element that boosts our immune system. This one is containing 17 essential amino acids. Ayan, it also offers us vitamin B, yung mga importanteng vitamin complex sa ating katawan. Ayan, this is also a good source of that. It promotes healthy blood cells, no? So, kaya isa to sa nakakatuwa kasi tandaan nyo, the immune cells o yung soldiers natin sa katawan are blood cells, okay? So, this one, if you take Q-Green because it has wheatgrass, no, pinopromote niya yung healthy na pagpuproduce ng blood cells sa atin pong bone marrow. Okay? Ano pa? This one contains 90 minerals, including po yung mga alkaline minerals. Kaya, if you take Q-Green, ang una nyo din pong mabe-benefit is mapapansin nyo, mawawala yung acidity nyo. Kasi bakit? Na-alkalinize niya yung inyo pong katawan. Okay? Ano pa? This is also very good kasi both of them, barley and wheatgrass, has anti-cancer properties. So, yun yung isa sa gusto nating laman niya. This contains, the wheatgrass contains selenium and laetrile that are properties that fights cancer. Si barley naman has alpha-tocopherol. So, alpha-tocopherol kasi, if you will do research, it also fights cancer cancer cells. So like if you think that you are a person na candidate for developing cancer, ito yung maganda yung tinitake. Ako, I always take this kasi I know na yung lifestyle natin ngayon and the food that we eat, sometimes, most of the time, yun yung dahilan kung bakit ang mga tao nagde-develop ng mga cancer cells. Kung dati hindi uso sa pamilya nyo yung cancer, pero nowadays nauuso yan, it is because of the food that you are taking, the unhealthy food, and of course, yung unhealthy lifestyle natin. Lagi tayong stress, or exposed tayo sa different factors that can help bring or develop cancer cells. So, if you take this product, no, ang magandang balita, you will protect your body. Not only that, kanina puro cleansing. Sabi ko, no, yung si cleanse, nilinis yung katawan natin. Eto siya. Nilinis mo yung bahay mo. And then, ngayon naman, ready na siya na i-polish, ina-nourish siya ng enzyme mo. Siyempre, kailangan i-boost mo yung iyong katawan to boost your immunity and to prevent cancer from developing. No, this one is the best product for you to take. Again, this one comes in capsule forms, no, veggie capsules. If you're interested, you can check out our basket, no, nandyan lang po yung basket natin. 100 capsules na po ito. Kung once a day ang inom mo, 3 months nyo po iti-take ang isang box ng Q-Green. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga na super boosted ang katawan nyo, you can take 2 capsules every day. Ako, I take 2. Gusto ko take 2. Bukod doon, alam nyo ba, dahil mayaman to sa chlorophyll, napansin ko yan eh, ano siya, tingnan nyo, ang nails ko parang pang baby. Look at my nails, 'di ba? Napansin ko 'yan. If you take products like this which are rich in chlorophyll, mapapansin nyo, it will help you bring back the youthfulness of your skin, your hair, and your nails. Yan ang manonotice nyo. Madumi ba yung nails ko? Hindi naman. Malinis naman. Ayan. Ano pa? At saka, na-notice ko pala, dati na-experience ko yan. Alam nyo ba yung chlorophyll? So, very good to regenerate cells. Yung mga nagre-repair ng mga damaged cells. Dati na-experience ko, hindi ko matandaan, sa paa ko yata. Or sa, dito. Yung isa kong nail, tingnan nyo yung nail ko. Same siya, diba? Naipit yan dati sa MRT. As in, nangitim yan, in short, namatay. Tapos, ang nangyari dyan, yung tubo niya, alam niyo yung tubong naging curve, kasi patay na siya. Pumangit po yan. No? Pero ngayon, pansinin nyo, almost the same siya. Parang walang pagbabago. You know why? Kasi I've discovered, no, that if you take pala products like this, which is rich in chlorophyll, it is good. It is a very good source of RNA and DNA. No? RNA that promotes repair ng mga damaged cells natin. So, yun yung natulong niya sa akin. No? Repair talaga, as in, it brings back. So, dati para tong patay na, yung curve na siya, tas hindi na tumutubo, tas pangit, black pa. No? Nabalik siya because of that. So, super damage yung nail. So, yun yung maganda if you take products that are rich in chlorophyll. Isa sa nabe-benefit mo. Meron din kaming kape. Ayan. Q-Rich. Q Global Coffee. Very rich in nutrients. It is a good source of herbs, no? Kaya siya tinawag na Q-Rich Herbal Coffee Mix. Alam nyo, if you're the type of person na kapag nagkape ay nagpapalpitate o kaya acidic, no? Ito yung kapeng para sa inyo. Kasi itong kape na to, this is non-acidic alkalinizer po. May alkalinizer pa to. So, sisiguraduhin namin na hindi kayo magiging acidic kasi magiging alkaline nga yung environment ng digestive tract nyo kapag nagkape kayo. Bukod doon, ang magandang balita, Q-Rich contains powerful herbs that will help boost your immunity. Okay, ano-ano yun? This one offers you spirulina, it has mangosteen, it has grape seeds, it has moringa, and it has barley. No? So, kung papansin niyo hindi basta-basta yung mga herbs na nilagay namin dito. Okay? Lahat ng herbs na nilagay namin dito, in its own, element, talagang pwedeng i-take nyo na siya as it is. Diba? Spirulina, aba, magkano ang isang bote ng tabletas ng spirulina? Mahal yun, no? Moringa also is also one of the most expensive and most sought after nutritional food nowadays. Ito meron pang grape seeds, may mangosteen pa, di ba yung sikat na mangosteen capsule, sobrang mahal din yun. Okay? Tapos may barley din siya. So kumbaga, inilagay na namin dito yung mga favorite o yung mga essential herbs na kailangan ng isang tao, no? Tapos may alkalinizer pa siya. Para when you're taking Q-Rich coffee, hindi ka lang nabuboost yung energy mo, hindi ka lang na-energize, hindi lang nagiging maganda yung brain activity mo, nagiging sharp yung energy mo, nabuboost pa niya overall yung inyong immune system mula ulo, puso, no, respiratory system, digestive system, musculoskeletal system, covered na niya. Kasi nga, yung nilagay namin ditong ingredients ay talaga namang sobrang powerful. Grape seeds pa lang is an super antioxidant na o anti-aging na siya. Diba? So, yun yung maganda sa selections namin. Kaya proud na proud po kami dito sa Q Global in sharing our products. I hope those people who have visited my live can also visit our page. Pa-heart naman po, pa-like, and pa-follow. If you have questions, pwede rin po kayong mag-send ng messages sa amin. We can share you products informations kung gusto nyo pong maintindihan, malaman yung aming mga products. No? Again, we are looking for members, we are looking for resellers, we are looking for affiliates to help us promote and sell our products. Kasi bagong-bago lang po kami dito sa TikTok. We believe that we have powerful lineup of health products na bagong-bago lang dito sa Pilipinas na malaking bagay po kapag na-promote natin ng maayos yung ating pong produkto. For today, ang special offer namin sa inyo, again, just to recap, no, naka buy one, take one yung 10 sachets po namin. If you buy one box of this, you get 2. Okay? You get 2. So, nakalibre kayo ng 10 sachets, no? Grabe, pang buong pamilya na yon. But if you just want to buy our trial pack, this one is sold at $4.99. Right now, may 30 pesos off siya. Free shipping pa po. At $4.69. Kung tatlo kayo sa pamilya, nanay, tatay, anak, tatlo na kayong makakapag-try ng colon cleansing. We always teach people, no, alam nyo, kailangan natin mag-colon cleanse. Lahat po tayo. Once in a while. Kasi hindi natin alam ano yung mga naka-stack up na dumi sa ating mga bituka. So, this product can give you that, no? Take it as it is. As a sachet, parang pulburon, buksan nyo lang yan. Ayan, ni-peel up lang yan dyan. Take it as it is. Or, pwede nyo itimpla sa tubig. Ako, payo ko, kalahating basong tubig lang. Inumin nyo agad. Then, stay home lang muna kayo or kahit sa office, pwede din, basta may CR. Kasi, expect nyo na that within a few hours, no, tatawagin na kayo ng CR kasi ilalabas niya po lahat ng babakbakin niyang dumi na nakastore dyan, nakadikit sa inyo pong digestive walls. Yun yung maganda doon. Then, after that, naku, mafe-feel nyo, super sarap ng feeling kapag nag-cleansing po kayo. So, please try, cleanse, no? Not only for you but for your whole family. If you do not have any questions, no, thank you for watching our live, and I hope you can also like our account, our page, and sana mag-add to cart po kayo and try to experience the healthy goodness of our products. By the way, all our products have FDA certificates. So, hindi po kayo matatakot na matry po itong ating produkto. Yun lang po. Thank you so much and good evening everyone. If you have any questions, pwede po kayong mag-chat sa amin pong profile dito po. Thank you so much and Q morning everyone. Bye-bye.